Hello students, today topic is chemical equation and this topic is related to class 10, right? And topic is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? The method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulae of the substances involved in it is known as chemical equation. That is, any chemical equation represented by the symbolic forms of the compounds or atoms is known as chemical equation. For example, zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid. This arrow sign indicates Gibbs and product is zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. According to this reaction, when zinc metal react with dilute sulfuric acid to form a product zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas, and this is the word formation reaction, because zinc metal write in word and sulfuric acid is also write in word. So we can say that this is word formation reaction and this is the chemical reaction, and this chemical reaction represent the symbolic form of substance of any compounds. Of any compound means of any chemical compounds, right? Then symbol of zinc is Zn and dilute dot sulfuric acid. Chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, and this H2SO4 is a chemical compound and zinc is a metal. So zinc metal and dilute sulfuric acid react with each other to form a product zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This zinc sulfate, this is the chemical formula of zinc sulfate. Zn means Zn zinc, and sulfate is SO4. Symbol of sulfate is SO4 and symbol of zinc is Zn. So we can say that Zn SO4 and symbol of hydrogen gas S2, right students? Then according to the chemical equation, any chemical reaction represent the symbolic form of the compounds of the substance. It is known as chemical equation, and this arrow sign indicates the Gibbs, right? And next topic is types of chemical reaction. So students, there are 5 types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction, and second is decomposition reaction, and third is simple displacement reaction, fourth is double displacement reaction, and last oxidation and reduction reaction. So student, these are 5 types of chemical reaction. So student, today I explain only combination reaction, right? And remaining 4 types of chemical reaction I will explain next video. So student, first chemical reaction is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? So according to this heading, combination reaction, the reaction in which two or more substances to form a single substance is called a combination reaction. So students, two or more than two substances react with each other to form a single substance, it is known as combination reaction. For example, CaO in the form of solid, and this small s is indicate the this calcium oxide in the form of solid. Ca is calcium, O for oxide, so we can say this is calcium oxide, right? Plus water, H2O, chemical formula of water, H2O, and it is in the form of liquid, L for liquid, gives CaOH whole twice Aq. Ca calcium, OH hydroxide, so we can say that this is calcium hydroxide, right? Aq aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means in this calcium hydroxide dissolve the water and heat release also. This is the calcium oxide, sorry, calcium hydroxide, this is calcium oxide and water. So according to the combination reaction, two reactants, these are the reactants, and right in left hand side of this arrow, and these are the product, So students, these two reactants react to each other to form a single product. It is known as combination reaction, and this CaO is also known as quicklime. Quicklime, and this is the physical name of CaO, and calcium hydroxide is a chemical name, right students? And second example is carbon in the form of solid and oxygen in the form of gas, G for gas, gives CO2 in the form of gas. CO2, it is carbon dioxide, this is carbon, and this is oxygen, right? So students, these are the two reactants react to each other or combine to each other to form a single product, and this single product is carbon dioxide, and heat release also or energy release also. So student, these are two example of combination reaction. According to this explanation, I will give you some questions to identify the which type of chemical reaction you can find only combination reaction, because today I explain only combination reaction. Then question is, identify the combination reaction in the following. And first reaction is 2Na in the form of solid plus 2H2O in the form of liquid gives 2NaOH in the form of aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas. And second reaction is 2Mg in the form of solid plus O2 in the form of gas gives 2 MgO, 2 MgO in the form of solid, 2 MgO magnesium oxide, Mg magnesium, oxygen, O2 oxygen, and this number, this two number, this is indicate the balancing of the atom in reactant side and in product side, right? And third, NH3 in the form of gas, NH3 is the ammonia plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, in the form of gas gives NH4Cl in the form of solid. NH4 means ammonium, Cl means chloride, so we can say that ammonium chloride. This is ammonium chloride. Fourth reaction is CaO plus CO2 gives CaCO3 in the form of solid. Ca, calcium, CO3, carbonate, so we can say that calcium carbonate, and last reaction is Mg in the form of solid plus 2 HCl in the form of aqueous gives MgCl2 in the form of aqueous plus hydrogen gas. Right, students? These are 5 chemical reactions for identify which reaction is combination reaction. Thank you so much.